Good day, students. Today's topic is body mass index. The short form is BMI. As we are all aware, today people are becoming very health conscious, especially about their weight. Everyone wants to be fit and healthy. But through a research done, it is found out that most of the young children are either underweight, overweight, or they are obese. So BMI helps us to find out if you fall in the normal weight category, or in the underweight category, or in the overweight category, or in the obese category. In order to calculate your BMI, there is a formula. For that, you need two things. First is your height in meters, your correct height in meters, and the second thing is your weight in kgs. Okay, you need to know correctly your height in meters and your body weight in kgs. If you look at the BMI chart, there are different categories. The first category is underweight category. Second is normal weight. Third is overweight. Fourth is obesity 1, obesity 2 and obesity 3. And on the right hand side, if you see, the BMIs are mentioned. That means after you calculate your BMI, and if you get an answer, for example, if you get an answer 19, so 19 falls in the normal weight category. So normal weight category is between 18.5 to 24.9. But if you get an answer which is less than 18.5, for example, if you get 17, that means you fall in the underweight category. That means you are underweight. And if you get an answer which is more than 40, 41, 42, that means you are obese. Let us try to understand, okay, with an example. Sohan's weight is 72 kg and his height is 1.60 meters. The formula to calculate BMI is body weight in kgs divided by height into height meters. So Sohan's weight is 72 kgs and his height is 1.60 meters into 1.60 meters. First we need to multiply 1.60 into 1.60. The answer what we get is 2.56. Then after dividing, the answer what we get is 28.125. Now that is the BMI of Sohan's. So Sohan's BMI is 28.25. Now let us find out in which category Sohan falls into. If you look at the chart again, for underweight category it should be less than 18.5, but Sohan's BMI is 28.125. That means he does not fall in the underweight category. For normal weight category, it should be between 18.5 to 24.9. Again, Sohan's BMI is 28.125. So he does not fall in the normal weight category. Third is the overweight category, which is between 25.0 to 29.9. Now Sohan's BMI falls in this category, that is his answer, his BMI is 28.125. So he falls in this category. So that means Sohan is overweight. It does not fall into a normal weight category. Now, if Sohan is careless and does not take effective measures to control his weight, soon he will go into the obesity class 1, because his weight will increase and he will fall into obesity class 1. And if he is still careless, he may go into 2 and 3, which is not a good thing. Students, we should all fall or try to be in the normal weight category. So we need to have or live a healthy lifestyle. For that purpose, we need to exercise daily, eat properly, drink water sufficiently, and see that our weight is maintained. So I request all the students to kindly check your height and weight and calculate your BMI with the help of this formula and see in which category you fall. If you fall in the underweight category, that means you are underweight. That means you are not eating properly. So you need to see that you gain weight. If you fall in the normal weight category, very good, you have to maintain that weight. But if you are overweight or obese, you need to do something, okay, that is exercise, eat proper food, okay, drink sufficient water, and see that you maintain your weight. Students, I hope I am clear with this topic, and I hope that you all have understood this topic of body mass index. For your examination, kindly remember this category along with the BMI. Okay, that means underweight, okay, what is the category, for normal weight, what is the category, and so on, and also the formula of body mass index. So thank you, students.